Good morning, you beautiful soul, and welcome to this 10-minute good morning yoga flow to start your day feeling so good in your body. Begin in child's pose and bring your attention to your breath. Begin to deepen and slow your breath, breathing in and out the nose, creating a wave-like sound with your breathing. Every breath in, expand the belly big with your breath. And every breath out, engage the pelvic floor, pulling your navel towards your spine. Gliding up into hands and knees. On your exhale, tuck the chin, round the spine. Inhale, heavy belly, pull the heart forward. On your exhale, press the mat away, chin to chest. A few more times here, linking breath with movement, allowing the spine to warm and open up. Shifting the hips back, then walk the hands forward, bringing the knees back. Lower down in one straight line, the elbows close to your side body. Roll the shoulders back. Inhale, lift the chest, Bhujangasana. Two more times here. Press into the tops of the feet. Engage your thighs so much that your kneecaps lift up away from the floor. And rolling down each time with grace and ease. Then straighten your arms forward. This is a favorite of mine, Shalabhasana. Lift the arms, lift the legs, and on your exhale, pull the elbows back. Inhale, stretch out. Exhale, pull the shoulder blades onto the spine. Inhale, lengthen forward. Exhale, rise up a little higher. Inhale, stretch and extend. Exhale, lift and spread across the heart. Then bring your hands next to your chest, lifting up, bringing the elbows underneath the shoulders for Sphinx pose. Now you can stay in Sphinx pose. If you want more, rise up on the knees, coming into forearm plank. You can always curl your toes under here and straighten your legs to build a little bit more heat and strength in the body. Where's your breath? Make sure you're breathing deeply in and out the nose here. Our word for today is courageous. Lowering slowly back down, pulling your heart forward in between your arms. Perhaps repeating the phrase, I am courageous, I am powerful. You showed up for yoga, so you're already courageous and powerful. Lowering your forehead down to the tops of your hands, allow your heels to sway left and right. And knowing that you are perfect just as you are. There's nowhere to go and nothing to do. This is your time. One more deep breath in. Then on your exhalation, extend the legs behind you. Bring your hands next to your chest. Press the mat away. Walking your fingertips forward, pull the hips back and begin to sway the hips from left to right. Then curl the toes under, spreading the fingers wide, walking out the legs here in downward dog, Adho Mukha Shavasana. Rise up on your toes and lower your heels. Find movement that feels good for you in this pose. Wrap your outer arms in towards your face to spread and broaden across the shoulders. And then slowly step or hop your feet to your hands. Inhale your fingertips to your thighs, lengthen the spine. Exhale, fold, Uttanasana. Inhale, sweep the palms out and up. Exhale, hands to your heart. Lengthen your tailbone down. Pull your low abs in and step back with the right foot. Pulling your left hip back, your right hip forward. Engage the low abs, sweeping your arms out and up. Exhale, releasing the arms down to the sides. Inhale, bend deeply into the front knee. Stretch the arms out and up. And on your exhale, allow the arms to glide back to your side. On the inhale, the back of the wrists come together like a waterfall, lifting up, extending out. Moving in the rhythm of your breath here, moving in your own tempo. Last time, stretching the arms straight up, bringing your hands down to your heart, and then get your balance, step forward. Take one deep breath with your hands on your heart. And step back with the left foot, pivoting the left heel down. Pull your right hip back, the left hip forward. Engage the low abs and sweep the arms up. Exhale, gliding the hands to the side. Inhale, lean forward, stretch the arms out and up. Exhale, allow the arms to relax and release. Make sure that the left leg is completely straight and you're pressing down through the outer edge of the back foot. On your inhalation, feel the energy charging up through your feet. And on the exhalation, the energy moving back down towards the earth. Last time, lift the arms up. And exhale, step the feet together. Hands to heart. One deep breath. And bring the right toes back behind you. And reach for the inside edge of the right foot. Stay here or begin to kick the foot into the hand, stretching the left arm forward for dancer pose. And if you fall out, so what? Come back, give it your all. Releasing the pose, hands to the heart, and then shake that side out. So really we're hopping here, which is so good for the fascia in your body. Bringing the heels up and down, maybe shaking left to right. Allow your body to guide you here. Shaking the hands up and shaking the hands back down. Once again, the hands up and back down. Bring your hands to your heart. Take a deep breath in. Another side. Grab for the inside edge of the left foot and kick the foot dramatically back into the hand, lowering your left heel a little bit so that you can keep the shoulders as parallel as possible and the hips as in line as you can. As much as you kick back with the foot, reach forward through the fingers and then release out of the pose. On your next inhalation, step back with the right foot, pivot the right heel down to the mat, Virabhadrasana 1. Exhale, hands to the heart, lean forward, bend deeply into the front knee. Inhale, stretching out and up. Exhale, lean forward, hands to the heart. The knee doesn't go farther than the ankle here. Inhale, find strength, really straighten the back leg. Exhale, lean forward. Moving in the rhythm of your breath and linking breath with movement. Straightening the front leg. Step forward a little bit, pull the left hip back, the right hip forward, and flow down. You can always bring your hands up onto a block or up onto your thigh or your shin. No need to bring your fingertips all the way to the floor. Then inhale, rise back up, and we'll switch legs. Step back with the left foot, pivot the heel down, square the hips. Inhale the arms up, exhale the hands to the heart, bend deeply into the knee. Making sure the left leg is completely straight and that the right hip is pulled back in line with the left as much as possible here. So often the knee goes farther than the ankle, so really widen your stance to make sure this doesn't happen. Straighten the front leg, step forward a little bit, pull the right hip back again, left hip forward, and fold forward any amount. Parsvottanasana. Stepping the back foot forward, gracefully and slowly sit back down, bringing your feet together, folding forward, Baddha Konasana, opening the hips. Breathe in deeply through the nose. Sigh it loud out the mouth. Thank you so much for doing this yoga practice with me, twisting open now to the right and to the left. And you're done. I'm wishing you a courageous, powerful, and beautiful day. Namaste.